Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll give you a quick guide on how to play PUBG Mobile if you are just starting out. So let's dive right to the video. First, open the app and log in using your Google, Facebook or guest account or any account that you have. Simply log into your account. As you can see, I am already logged into my account. After you have logged into your account, PUBG Mobile has different modes like Classic, Arcade and Evo Ground and more. For beginners, start with Classic mode. Pick your preferred map like Erangel, Miramar, Sanok or Rondo. You can even use the new beta, that is the Rondo app. Use the joystick to move around. For now, I will simply show you how to play in a team deathmatch. Let the match to begin and I will teach you or guide you on how to play the game. For beginners, use the joystick to move around. As you can see, the joystick will be on the left side of him and the fire button to shoot. The fire button is wherever you can keep it. As you can see, I am moving on my screen. You can use your jump right here and jump to any place. You can tap on your gun icon to take out your gun from your bag. Keep an eye on the map to know exactly where the players are, and you can customize your buttons according to your choice as well. You can keep your buttons anywhere you like. You can simply use an attack using the fire button, and in this team deathmatch you need to score 40 points before your opponent team does and you will win the match. And that's the basic way to play PUBG Mobile. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, comment below what topics should I cover next and subscribe for more beginner tips. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.